doing hot pot at home. There's Dr. Riz.
I'm going fishing.
I'm having rice, and of course we have all these other ingredients, and I got Poppy over here bothering me. Well, all right, let's see what we are starting with here. So we have mushrooms, enoki, oyster, king oyster, black fungus. We have the Napa cabbage and bok choy. Those are our favorites. 2 kinds of tofu. And then for you, Dr. Riz, we have your Beyond Meat and some not beef balls. And Puppy, I knew was going to be excited. I also put some rice cakes, and then I have potato. 4 types of starches here. This is a potato starch, and then noodles, and then ramen sprouts. So here's your rice. And I'm gonna get some seaweed because I like seaweed as well. Here's my rice. I went from rice to now the soup. These are some of my favorite ingredients in a soup. Enoki, sprouts, bok choy. And this is black fungus with all sorts of ingredients.
I'm getting full.